Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taina Rodney and this is All Things Taina, and today I have for you guys a plan with me. So this is going to be for May 6th through 12th, and it's the week of Mother's Day, so I wanted to do something really fun and fresh and floral just to represent that week. And I'm a mom of two, so I'm super excited to do this week's plan with me. But yeah, so if you guys want to keep on watching, then keep on watching. But if you guys aren't subscribed already, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it. And let's go ahead and get on with the video. Oh, and by the way, I did already, add my washi tape. And the reason I use washi tape is because I have an expansion pack and I cover up where it says morning, afternoon, and evening with some whiteout, and then I just cover it with some washi tape. So that's what I'm doing for now while I'm still using expansion pack until I go into the regular part of my planner, which doesn't have all this. But yeah, so if you guys want to see what I come up with, then go ahead. so this is the end of the video. I'm so excited with the way that it turned out. I absolutely love it. I think this is my favorite spread so far. I know I've only posted one on YouTube so far, but if you follow me on my Instagram, you'll see my other spreads. But yeah, I really love this. It just screams spring and Mother's Day and florally and all that great stuff. Yeah, so I really like it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And if you guys want to see my other spreads that I haven't posted yet, well, not yet, because I don't have a video on them. But if you want to see my other spreads, like from previous weeks, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. And I'll put the name down below. And yeah, so if you guys like it, please sure to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.